You don't need to be a tech genius to have a fancy setup to earn online. You already have skills that can make you money, even from your phone. Today, I'll show you 10 websites that pay for simple skills you already have. Whether it is talking, typing, or teaching. Let's get started. The first one today is user testing. Here, you get paid to test websites and share your opinion. Each test takes about 20 minutes and pay is around $10. It is one of the fastest ways to hit that $10 or $20 a day goal if you get consistent invites. The next is Rev. This is a platform for transcription and captioning jobs. If you are fast at typing or good at listening, you can earn steady income here, and the more accurate you are, the better projects you get. Number 3 is Cambly. This is perfect if you speak English confidently. You'll chat with learners around the world and get paid by the minute. No teaching certificate required. You just need your voice and internet connection. Then there's respondent.io, where companies pay you for your opinions in research interviews. Each study can pay $50 or $100 or even more, but they are not as frequent. So when you qualify, you find out that it is totally worth it. The fifth one is Fiverr. This is one of the best freelance marketplaces. Here, you list what you're good at. If you're good at writing, editing, voiceovers, or social media, you do it. You start small, you deliver well, and soon you'll be charging premium rates. Number 6 is Check Tutors. If you're strong in academics or a teacher or a tutor, you can teach students online and get paid hourly. It is a great side hustle for students who love to explain and help others. The next one is VIP Kid or VIP Kid. This is for those who enjoy teaching kids. Here, you'll need to pass an interview and meet a few requirements, but once you're in, the pay is excellent. Teachers here often earn between $15 to $22 an hour. Number 8 is Swagbox. This is simple with no skill tasks like survey, watching videos, or testing offers. You won't get rich here, but it is perfect for passive income. It is a very easy side earning. The next one is Just Answer. If you're a certified professional, Just Answer lets you earn by helping others online. Doctors, lawyers, mechanics, and other experts can earn per verified solution provided. And finally, at number 10, we have Clickworker. This is for quick micro tasks like writing, research, or data entry. No commitment, no fixed hours. Just open your app and start earning. There you have it, 10 websites that pay you for simple skills you already have. Start with 1 or 2, stay consistent, and your online income will grow before you know it. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and comment. I'm ready to start. Thank you and bye-bye.